There has been leaked rumor going on for the upcoming Canon EOS R5. According to the leaks, there is no crop in 8K or 4K 120p, and the camera doesn't seem to be limited by overheating issues. For additional information about recording with the camera in 8K, there is no crop in either 8K 30p or 4K 120p. There is no dual recording to both cards when shooting video. The camera was able to record over 20 minutes of 8K raw footage continuously without any overheating issues. Cinema DCI 8K resolution is labeled 8KD in the Canon menus. Interestingly, there is 25p in the Cinema 8K mode. It remains to be seen whether the RAW option is grayed out when you select 4K. The 8K video mode seems to work RAW, which is good news for those who require more practical files for editing and more manageable file sizes. So there you have it, the first meaningful glimpse of 8K on a full-frame mirrorless camera.